Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between management and entrepreneurship. Management refers to the overall operational function of a business, which includes planning, creating, managing, and governing. This executive function leads to utilizing physical, finance, employee, and other resources of an organization efficiently. On the other hand, entrepreneurship is defined as someone who has the ability and desires to establish, administer, and succeed in a startup venture along with risk entitled to it to make profits. The best example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business venture. In economics, the profits that an entrepreneur makes is with a combination of land, natural resources, labor, and capital. So, let's look into the basic differences between management and entrepreneurship in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Management focuses on organizing and structuring business activities, whereas entrepreneurship focuses on creating and establishing new business ventures. Number 2. Management is responsible for execution and administration, whereas entrepreneurship is responsible for innovation and initiation. Number 3. Managers are usually employees of a company. On the other hand, entrepreneurs are the owners of the business. Number 4. Management does not bear significant financial risk, whereas entrepreneurship involves high risk-bearing responsibility. Number 5. The objective of management is to achieve organizational goals efficiently, whereas entrepreneurship aims to generate profit and growth. Number 6. Management is operational and administrative in nature, whereas entrepreneurship is creative and innovative. Number 7. Management decisions are based on policies and structure, whereas entrepreneurial decisions are based on vision and opportunity. Number 8. Management has a broad scope covering all business functions, whereas entrepreneurship is a specific part focused on business creation. Number 9. Management focuses less on innovation, whereas entrepreneurship heavily depends on innovation. Number 10. Management follows a structured process of planning, organizing, and controlling, whereas entrepreneurship focuses on identifying opportunities and building ventures. Number 11. Managers earn salary and incentives, whereas entrepreneurs earn profits and business returns. Number 12. Management requires leadership and coordination skills, whereas entrepreneurship requires risk-taking and imaginative skills. Number 13. Management operates in a stable and structured environment, whereas entrepreneurship operates in a highly uncertain and dynamic environment. And difference number 14. Management emphasizes efficiency and productivity, whereas entrepreneurship emphasizes growth and opportunity creation. So, these are the differences between management and entrepreneurship. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.